super brief unboxing video for the Amico DC-160A. It's a stick welder. I've welded MIG before with mixed results because it's a Harbor Freight MIG welder. I replaced the ground on the Harbor Freight to that, and that also came from Harbor Freight. It does a decent job. Sorry for the spinning around. Back to this one though. This is the one I just got. It comes with that adapter cable to go from 220 to 120. Well, 220 to 110 or 208 to 110. Probably 220 to 110. That's the grounding. Yeah. It's got a good spring to it, if nothing else. It has that little braided copper thing, so both sides grip. I've never seen that, like, chunko pipe kind of clamping thing. Interesting. I'm guessing it'll be adequate. People bitched about this. A lot of people said they replaced it right away. The stinger side of it. Seems to be what everybody's calling it. Or what people call it. It looks adequate. But what do I know? I'll see if it just drops a rod as soon as I put it in. That's what the smaller connection side looks like. So those two are in the box. This cable. So the hot side. The ground side. The adapter cable. And that. Once I get it out, I'll show another video. Oh, what's included? Well, like I said, the welder itself, 10-foot electrode holder cable, 10-foot work clamp cable, I call that the ground, 115 and 230 power adapter, and the owner's manual, which I haven't seen yet, but I have seen the, if something's missing, call us right away, and we'll blame Fong. I like the email address, 118 at Amico Power. Interesting. That's it.